ready to put it on now? It's comfy.
Coming up, oil pressure coming up, TOT below 150. Pressure's good. Coming down, motion accelerated. Easy. What?
Hey everyone, Dennis Martin here with Enstrom Helicopter, another episode of Inside Enstrom, and today we're actually at my house. I'm going to an air show early tomorrow morning, so I brought the helicopter home so I can get an early start tomorrow. And before we headed out, thought I'd take my daughter Amelia with me here. We're going to run and grab some ice cream quick. And we'll move the helicopter over to a clear spot.
Look at the pool! We can see our own pool from here!
Yeah, there's something that only a helicopter can do, and that's flying from my little backyard heliport over to a little country ice cream place we like to go to. So,
Dairy barn.
Dairy barn, that's right.
How do you even drive this?
Well, we don't drive it, we fly it, huh?
How do I fly this, I mean?
Well, I use the cyclic to go forward, back, left, and right, and the pedals go, make the nose go.
Back? But where do we land?
We're going to land right next to the dairy barn there. And as usual, you know, we attracted a little bit of a crowd.
Look at Dad, look at, people came to, they're videoing us. There's Mama Joey.
And we're gonna shut down here. We got a little 2-minute cool down, and then we're gonna get some ice cream.
Dad, if people ask who was flying it, say I did.
Okay, you bet. What kind of ice cream do you want?
Rough beer flake burgers. And there's my dad's ice cream, and here's my ice cream.
You can't really see it because I ate a lot, but it's really good and it looks really good. Big and it tasted delicious.
Okay, so we just had some ice cream here at the Dairy Barn in Lena, Wisconsin. How was it? Awesome!
Look at the grass, it's so cool.
Watch out for the trees there. So, thanks everyone for flying with us tonight. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Nice night for flying, good ice cream, so we both had a good time.
Amelia out.